Help. I'm completely overwhelmed with marketing. I don't know where to start and I feel really lost. That is the number one question I get from busy lawyers when I talk to them about their digital marketing strategies. So in this FAQ Friday, I'm going to answer your questions about where you should start if you're just jumping into marketing and where to actually spend your time strategically. Hi, I'm Jessica Aries. I'm a digital marketing strategist and I work exclusively with lawyers and law firms. So if you are interested in learning how to level up your digital marketing, stay tuned because we're going to talk a bit more about that today. Let's jump in. So what I often see is lawyers, they try to tackle too much from a marketing perspective. They're busy, you're busy, and instead of spending your time strategically, really billing hours and working on casework, you find yourself sucked into marketing because let's face it, you need clients, right? And in 2020, that means actually getting out there and marketing on a digital platform, probably in a way that you haven't been marketing in the past. So what I find a lot of the times is when lawyers start to think about marketing, they completely overwhelm themselves because they try to take on too much. They try to be on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Twitter, and they also try to, create client alerts weekly or daily, practically sometimes. They're trying to put out too much information, and what ends up happening is they burn out. I don't want you to burn out. Okay, I'm gonna give you a very simple rule to follow today. It's called the rule of one, okay? You are going to consistently, every day, market on one platform to one audience, one of your services. So what does that look like? You're not going to pick every single platform available to you. You are going to pick either email marketing, blogging, Twitter, Facebook, one of those. Just pick one, okay? In addition to that, you're only going to talk about one service offering you have. So as a business transactional attorney, I realize you can offer many services, whether it be, business formations, compliance issues, contract review, all of that. But I just want you to pick one of those and really just focus on marketing that one service and get this to one audience. So what does that mean? One industry group, right? You're not gonna market to retail and tech and oil and gas all in one message. You're gonna just market to one of them. And so when you show up consistently and you target one audience with one message, with one service, every day, consistently, you are able to build that rapport, that relationship with your audience, and your marketing becomes far more effective and far less overwhelming.